Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala u Conrad ke sangma menta kasi ka arhoi terik unai tung arajar arhulai. Long magajing Shah Thombor ki Kynthei gadang yaija na kapor sa kapor kumta ka sorkar kan Khlaiñ kabor banya dai ki Kynthei. Habakran bikilat patai kubor. Long magajing Shah Thombor ki Kynthei gade ka kam ka bahap ban shimkia maka sorkar kan bu khambun ki pulit Kynthei. Sho Menteri Rangba u loong ru bahap bandon kam bandon ka shongsuk shongsngan pat kum juru ka ai men set along ki ba Thombor ki Kynthei. Hagajuk kapor Menteri Rangba ula benrap da kabaong bagi nong song snong kidi bandan ka jingi trailang pat ban penlong ki program ban ai jihi kai shiki pat ba. Hagajuk kapor Menteri Rangba ula benrap da kabaong bagi nong song snong kidi bandan ka mensim ya trailang pat ka sorkaru kan penlong ki program ban ai jihi kai shiki pat ba.
It is a very serious matter, and of course we have seen that crime against women has been there, and it's been there for some time, and measures are being taken. We're ensuring that more and more police force having women are there. We're also moving very fast in ensuring that proper charge sheets are put in at the earliest. So there is obviously very strict steps and measures are being taken from our side. And this, of course, has to go both ways. This is a matter in which we need the law and order. We need strict, penalties to be put in the terms of imprisonment. And obviously, we also need to ensure that as a society also, we need to work towards it together and ensure that there is also counseling overall at the general level where these kind of awareness programs are held. So it's a aspect which we need to work together in it. But law and order and of course punishment and all the other aspects are a very critical part of it, and all steps that are required to ensure that we are able to bring this down and ensure that those who are guilty are punished is being taken, and more steps will be taken.